Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Glen SA 4041 mini vegetable chopper. So there's an image of this chopper right over here. As you can see, this comes with a 200-watt motor and also 2 years of warranty. It has this piano black finish on top, as you can see from the picture. We'll obviously take a closer look. It's also made in India, as you can see, it's written over here. We have some information over here. Let me give you a closer look. There you go. It says it comes with small compact size, capacity is 400 milliliters, food grade polycarbonate bowl, rust resistant 55 chopping blade, anti-slip base for maximum stability, and whisking disc for churning butter or whisking eggs. That's more or less it. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. First up, we have a user's guide for this particular chopper. There you go. Everything that you want to know about this particular device, including the different parts of this particular machine. It's all listed over here. There's also a warranty and along with instructions and how to use your shredder, mini chopper, etc. There are also safety precautions written over here as well. So you should read it at least once. And this is the chopper slash vegetable, the vegetable chopper in question. As I mentioned earlier, it has a glossy black finish right on top, and this is the power button, you will notice. And this is also the main unit. There is a 200-watt motor inside this particular unit, and it's a little chunky as well. This is the heaviest side. This is the food grade bowl that this particular chopper comes in. So basically, this is where you'll be putting on the vegetables while it gets chopped. This comes with two attachments. This is first up. There is a whisker. You can use this to whisk eggs or even butter. And you also have this rust-resistant chopping blade. So you will notice this is a pair of chopping blades that are very sharp. You should be very careful with it. So this is what you use to basically chop whatever vegetables and fruits that you want to. Let me just give you a trial and show you what this motor actually sounds like. I will put the whisking attachment inside. And I'm going to give this chopper a go by pressing this button over here. Let's go. Give you a closer look. You can see now. This is it. This is what you find inside the Glen SA 4041 shredder slash mini chopper. Thank you for watching.